So today I'm on the way to Sabang to check it out and see what's new there. Been a long time since I've been there, and yeah, the weather is not so promising. There are some clouds, and I think we might get some rain in those like mountain twisty roads, but we'll see. You know, we never know. It's kind of rainy season still, so if you're gonna get soaked, you're gonna get soaked. You cannot do much about it. Just to enjoy the tropical rain, I guess. So yeah, so let's see what's new there, and let's go. There we go, our left turn to Sabang. Let's go. Guess let's go explore a little bit of like unbeaten paths, where they lead to. Explore the area of Sabang. There are like a lot of pretty mountains around, so maybe some good viewing spots, hopefully. We'll see. Check it out. Yeah, but these views are really good when you go somewhere like, you know, a little off-road to explore. Then you see some beauty. A little exploration mode. Okay. Looks like they fixed the road a little bit, because the last time I think I've been here like half a year ago, there was no concrete road, and now there is some. So let's see what else they have done here. Huh. Let's go back. Down through the river. There we go. There we go. Through there. Off we go. And done. Okay. Let's go back on the main road. Welcome to Sabang. And on the way back from Sabang, these rocks look amazing. And as always, Palawan is a two-way island. You need to go both ways to see the same thing in different views, sort of. Take the route, you need to take the same route counterclockwise or so, whatever the way you took it, because it looks completely different going one way and then going it the opposite way. So it's always worth it to do both ways here. Yeah, that's Palawan. Going back to Puerto Princesa, that was a lovely day. Met some lovely people. Explored paths, roads and stuff. So that was a great day. Great Sunday, great ride to relax, explore.